All right, guys, what's up? It is Thursday, November 18th, and we are just going to do a little day in our life. We have a busy day today, right, babe? Besides going to see Ghostbusters. He tried to go to see Ghostbusters last night, and I was like, you just worked all night. You're just getting off. Like, why are you trying to go see Ghostbusters at 7 o'clock at night? It just didn't make no sense to me. So, alright guys, Nate is getting his hair cut, and I'm going to go to Chick-fil-A, get me some chicken minis because your girl is hungry. And yeah, I'm just ready to eat breakfast. And hello, how are you?
I'm doing good. How about you, man?
Good. Can I get Angie?
Okay, what can I get?
Can I get a 4-count chicken mini, just the minis with 2 packets of honey?
Honey, okay.
And that's it. Cash.
Maybe $3.98, and you'll pay the corner on
Okay,
there.
thank you. 85, 95, 96, 97, 98. So my husband decided that he wanted something because his appointment was at 9:45, but his barber is just now putting somebody else in a chair. So I just came back around the Chick-fil-A line to get him something to eat. Back here waiting, and I can't eat my food, and I'm hungry too. So I believe my husband just told me he called me and told me his barber put somebody else in the chair, but his appointment was at 9:45. So this was like 9:47. So he says, I'm hungry. Did you leave the Chick-fil-A line? I said, I already ordered, but I'm still in line. I'll just go back around. I go back around, get his food, get him his 2 sausage biscuits. I get him his orange juice. The Negro in the chair. Like, what transpired in 5 minutes in there? You couldn't text me and tell me that you was going to be in the chair. Hopefully he can still eat these sausage biscuits, because you know, sometimes that food don't be good when it's sick. But oh well. I'm just sitting here watching the Ahmaud Arbery trial. I watched the whole Kyle Rittenhouse trial, and I'm watching Ahmaud Arbery. And I honestly have an opinion on it, and I really don't care if people disagree with me or not. But I think these trials are very important for us, because especially in today, we're living in times where I don't have an issue with the Second Amendment. I believe the right to bear arms and all that good stuff, but I do have an issue with people thinking that they can play hero and cop. And so I think that these 2 trials are very, very important in giving the right verdict, because it should be some kind of consequence. Like, these people that killed these people were not, you know, they weren't authorized to do so. You know what I'm saying? And I don't feel like we as humans should be taking it upon ourselves to decide who we decide to kill what day because they're doing something that we don't like. If that's the case, we'd be shooting up everybody, like, for real. So I just that's just my opinion on it. You could disagree, I could care less. It still stands. IDGAF. I don't give a period. Have your right to bear arms, that's fine, but don't be going out here just shooting people just because of the color of their skin, or because you're trying to play cop, or because you just can, because you know, whatever. Like, if you gotta fight somebody, don't bring a gun to a fist fight. Like, fight them. Like, I don't understand that stuff. Like, you get into a fight and then all of a sudden guns pop off, and this happens in the black community all the time too, but it is what it is. So I'm just gonna sit here and watch the trial while I wait for Nate, and then I'm gonna go to Walmart and get my little Pudas invitation. Hopefully, Lord, please, hopefully they came out cute. I'm gonna show y'all a little sneak peek though. So excited. Oh my gosh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Wait, that was mad quick. Here. Move this stuff, man. You want to drive?
Not really. Be driven. Thank you. Oh, you can just leave it there.
Oh my gosh. Don't get on my nerves.
Shake my drink.
Wait, so what happened in there? You told me to get you something, and then next thing I know,
the guy that got in the chair was a walk-in. You know what I mean? He not used to me. He only saw me a couple times, so he thought that was Nate.
Oh.
Then I guess he thought about it and went, cause he know I usually get a bald head, and the guy told him what he wanted. He was like, wait a minute, this ain't Nate. So he looked at his appointment and he walked over and asked. He's like, you having fun out of here? It's me, Nate.
Oh, okay. Cause I'm like, the next bro just told me to get him something to eat, and then wait, I make a right here, right? No, I go straight. Couldn't say it one time for me.
Huh?
Say it one time for me.
What?
We are sitting in the dealership getting our oil change. What we gonna say? Being in the office.
Greg, please tell extension 5333, Greg.
You not gonna say it one time? Whoa.
That'd be in the morning.
Oh, okay. Let me leave you alone then. I do need to go to Best Buy because I need to get an SD card. Alright? It's 8 minutes away. Where the heck are the SD cards at? Cameras. They getting ready for Black Friday. Okay, so here are the cameras, but you're not focused. You over there looking at video games. Great for podcasting and more. Oh, it's only $48.
It's 3 different ones.
I only need a small one. I don't need a big, giant one.
1 2 1 2.
Help me, help me.
You ask somebody at work to help you, you don't walk by about 20 people.
They all been helping people though.
And you think I'm supposed to live with that?
It's gotta be. All right, let me ask somebody. They are, but they're all out of them. I found them. They're just all out of them. I should have just ordered online. This one is like $53 and it's only $6. No. Well, that was an epic fail.
She tried. At least, you know, she...
Alright, where do I want to set this up at? Okay, let's set it up right here. I'm gonna take a deep breath. Okay, here we go. Don't look at me.
This is my best fucking friend, bitch. That's your job. If they we sign up and say we best friends, that means that my bullshit is your bullshit. And your bullshit is my bullshit. No, why? This is my best fucking friend, bitch.
Alright, I'm going to bed.
Give me a hug. Good night.
Alright.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.